What if I told you that $100 could be enough to start a real business? Not a side hustle, not another get-rich-quick scheme, but something that can actually put cash in your pocket every single week. Most people think they need thousands of dollars to become an entrepreneur. They don't. In this video, I'm showing you 5 physical businesses you can start with just $100 or less. And one of them has people making over $1,000 a week after only a few months. Business 5. Pressure washing. Imagine getting paid $200 to $500 for a job that takes just a couple of hours. Pressure washing driveways, sidewalks, fences, and patios is one of the easiest service businesses to start. You don't even need to buy an expensive machine on day one. You can rent one locally, complete your first jobs, and then reinvest your profits into your own equipment. People constantly want their homes looking clean, especially before selling a house or hosting guests. One satisfied customer can easily turn into 3 more through referrals. Business 4. Mobile car detailing. People love clean cars, but they hate spending hours washing them. That's where you come in. With basic supplies like microfiber towels, cleaning products, buckets, and a portable vacuum, you can start a mobile car detailing business for around $100. Instead of opening a shop, you drive to the customer, charge anywhere from $60 to $150 per car. And if you clean just 3 cars on a weekend, you've already made more than your startup cost. Business 3. Lawn care. Here's something most people overlook. Grass never stops growing. That means customers keep coming back. With a basic mower, trimmer, and a few flyers, you can start mowing lawns in your neighborhood. Many homeowners, elderly residents, and busy professionals are happy to pay someone else to do the work. One customer can become a weekly paycheck for months. That's recurring income. Business 2. Window cleaning. This business sounds simple, and that's exactly why so many people ignore it. But restaurants, offices, retail stores, and homeowners all need clean windows. Your startup costs are incredibly low, just a squeegee, extension pole, bucket, cleaning solution, and microfiber cloths. Some window cleaners earn $100 or more per hour because commercial clients need regular service. High demand. Excellent profit margins. Business 1. Furniture flipping. This might be the smartest business on this list. People throw away perfectly good furniture every single day. You can find free or cheap dressers, tables, chairs, and bookshelves on local marketplaces or curbside pickup. Clean them, paint them, make small repairs, then resell them for 2, 3, or even 5 times what you paid. Many people have turned a $50 table into a $300 sale with just a few hours of work. That's the power of adding value. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they don't have enough money. They fail because they never start. Every business on this list can begin with around $100, and every one of them has the potential to grow into something much bigger. So, which business would you start first?